Hmm? Yun din. Decoration plan. Our ground floor. Decoration. All employees. Uniform. Festival. Cake. Rush. Street. Cake chicken. Research Center office. Question to my viewers: what did you first saw your fashion college? And I was working as a student assistant. He was in the class, and he was looking at me, not to his teacher. I think that was Dr. class, was it? Or Mongolia? Then that office became the cultural affairs headquarters. So hindi na siya extension ng research. That was then managed by Dr. Love, short for Sumalangat Nawa, Dr. Love. A lot today, so I got new glasses from Evo, and the packaging is so nice. Tiffany blue na sila karon. Look. And ang daming inclusions. This, the eyewear, only cost less than 5,000. And then, ano na to? Anti-rat, blue light, polarized. So, you can use this in summer. Magiging sunglass siya. Look. So pretty. Look at the details. Kita nyo, manipis siya pero taas na nung grado ko. Eyewear. Look at that. Hear that? This is my old pair of spectacles. Look, ang ganda. Look at the insides. And this screw, ano ba to? You can use this. Paano ba yun? Tinuruan ako ng Aya to adjust the, this one, yung sa nose pads. Para hindi siya bumaba like that. Mine was cross. So, and dito siya. Yeah. Look at the cloth. It's so clean. Oh, ganda ng color. Trivia. Before, and of course, merong love your eyes, the tagline of EO Eyewear. Did you know, Ate Kim Cho, did you know, trivia, before 90, I forgot the exact date, but blue was the color for girls. And then pink was for boys. You know the saying, real men wears pink? Because usually before, for toddlers, clothing and marketing, they advertised Tiffany blue. You know what the Tiffany, the jewelry, girls, and then boys wears pink. And then suddenly, marketing decides to flip it. So girls now wears pink and boys now wears blue. Why? I don't know. Something flipped, and that we have to uncover. Oh, ito pa, mga inclusions. If you travel, you have to bring this with you. Meron to siyang, I'm currently at Festival Mall, Alabang. Inubos ko yung sahod ko. Feeling anak ng contractor ako today. Oh my God, kailangan ko these are free clip-up. May screw na rin. So if you will replace the nose pads, may libre na siya. And may warranty card din na binigay. This is lifetime warranty. Any branches ng EO. So, EO, thank you. This is like you're nililigawan ng kami. But it says 12 months now. But she says lifetime. This is a warranty, but the cleaning and maintenance is lifetime. Maybe I misheard. And then meron pang ganito. So you can use this like that. So when you're in your running era, because people now are on Strava, that's where they find their organic encounters. Now that, so you can bring this with you para hindi malaglag, or if you're a doctor who operates, diba, para secure like that. Really really nice. Good job, Whale. Services are improving. Good, good. And I also love that they have a database of their customers. So even if I purchased before at a different store, they kept my record and verified the sale with just a call. Nice one. So yeah, my record the call and I was accommodated even though I just walked in. I've been on EO since I think this is my second lens with them. Second glasses. Kasi the first was November 2023 and this is my second. 2026. Thanks, EO. I will use this. So right now, I will put this sa ano. See the difference. This is plastic and this is stainless and ano, no, stainless steel. I will take a picture para you can see. Kita nyo ba? Nakikita nyo yung ginagawa ko. I will upload this. Ay, ako pa lang kasi 1-man team pa lang yung ano, vlogging era ko. So, I will be uploading this sa TikTok maybe or YouTube then. So, please share. Thank you.